We're going to be taking some ghost photos.
We know where the music's playing.
I'm actually headed to Las Vegas. I forgot it's not your actual birthday. Wait, me too.
Erin, out of all of my kids, you are one of them. I really enjoyed making you.
I swear, if you do blackface.
Oh my God! Oh Lord! Oh, all the way from Texas.
I think this house is haunted. We're gonna spend the night here. This is what we're wearing tomorrow for Halloween to the bar.
Fuck no, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Alright.
The end. Oh my God. Whoa, it went straight into my lungs. It's so fall right now. This is the fallest that Texas says.
This is the fallest that October has ever had
In Texas.
October.
Good morning. We haven't had coffee yet. That's what we're going to go do right now. We're gonna go to Starbucks and we're gonna. What is wrong with me? Always choking. That's so
I don't know. It's the air here.
We're gonna go to Starbucks and we're going to try. We're gonna go to Starbucks and we're going to try every single pumpkin spiced menu item. Even though we've already tried all of them before, but we're gonna.
I've actually never tried the Frappuccino.
I literally just tried it the other day. Okay, cool. It'll be fun.
Pump it up. Pump that jam. Stop.
Hit turn playlist. Oh, it's orange. You know what orange means?
Spooktober.
Oh.
Let me just speak sometimes.
Okay, sorry. I just get a little too
I have
excited.
really funny things to say.
Pick up the phone, pick up the phone when I call you. I know you don't wanna talk, but I think I'm having withdrawals. I need a bump.
It's like it's too windy for life. This is never a problem. Okay, so I forgot my tripod. Can you hear us?
Can you hear me?
Okay, so we changed our minds a little. We didn't get all the drinks. We just got the ones we wanted, which were both hot pumpkin spice with soy milk.
Yeah, because it's cold. Buttery spiced cakes.
Pumpkin spice.
Or pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice? Pumpkin spice. Dude, just trying to be punny.
Oh, good.
Pumpkin spice? Pumpkin spice. I just think you're hot.
Let's try
So
this.
these are the pumpkin spice Madeleine. Oh, wow. Oh my God.
I never had a Madeline.
Me neither. I thought they were hard.
Next one. Dun-dun-dun. My favorite.
Oh my God. It has cream cheese in the middle.
Yeah,
And
it's
pumpkin
so good.
seeds. Pumpkin seeds. Give me it.
Okay, you have to try the cake first. And it's really hard to get cream cheese on everybody. I just stuck my finger in. No napkins. What a surprise. Starbucks.
That was good.
Next.
Anything with cream cheese though.
Yeah.
Put cream cheese on it. Oh my God.
You didn't see how many more there. Holy tight ass. Look at this.
Holy tight ass indeed.
I don't like the icing.
It's too hard.
It tastes stale.
They all taste the same.
Alright, the bread, which is a fave of mine, because you can eat it all year long. It has some seedlings on it, which are really great.
Oh, hell yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like a dessert like all the rest. Oh, I have to take a pic like for Instagram story.
Tag me so I can repost without taking that on.
You know, the thing about taste testing videos, it's like I wish I could share it with you so you could taste it yourself.
I don't. I want it all.
Did you finish eating though?
No.
I'm tired of being what you want me to be. Feeling so faithless, lost under the surface.
Girl.
I couldn't even take a shower this morning.
Ew.
Well, we had to pull me down off to get a shower, and I thought about my leg.
Oh. She hurt her leg.
They wrapped it like this. You didn't need to be out in the sun.
Thank you, Erin. I tried them all.
Did you like it?
Did you like them?
I think I like the bread better.
Try them.
No.
Just try a bite for the video. Do it for the vlog. One has icing on it.
That one's good. Crumbly.
Try that one.
It's too crumbly.
Take your gum out. No? You don't like pumpkin? You're not a basic white girl, are you?
Shit, Papa was hot. Mima's hair.
Wait, bring me that picture. Mima, what happened?
She's the beekeeper.
It's late and we're gonna do a little skincare. Oh my god, please give me something.
I wish I didn't do it last night so I could do it with you.
But first, things first, look. Yoo-hoo candy bar. That's why my skin looks like crap.
It's an enzyme peel.
This is an enzyme peel.
From Eminence Organic Skincare.
It smells like freaking
Yams and pumpkins.
Okay, I'm gonna move my mouth and then you say
Okay.
the word. Okay.
Hey guys, so this is a line from Eminence Organic Skincare. It's Yam and Pumpkin Enzyme Peel. It's super hot on your face and peels off your skin to where you look like a zombie.
Perfect for the season.
Stick your straw in it and slurp it down. No, I meant the mask.
Oh. And I just put it like all over my face. I'm looking in the reflection of my TV across the room. Oh my god, it smells so good.
I know.
Why are you looking at me like that? You look like you have a secret.
Just so you have about 30 seconds before it starts burning.
No! No! So you rub it in.
That's good.
Give it a little slap.
Now you wait 10 minutes.
Okay, well, let me wash my hands.
Alright. We'll see you in 10.
What do you have?
Toner.
We got
We got eye cream and serum. Hyaluronic acid serum.
I don't have a washcloth.
What's that?
That is a hand towel. There's a difference.
You can still use it.
Can you wet these?
Yeah. It's a towel.
Okay. My hair. Do these things make me look Amish? So cute, baby. Next is birch water purifying essence.
Pat it.
Does this count as annoying? What? Okay, next up is...
No. Strawberry rhubarb hyaluronic serum. I did not say
Strawberry
that
rhubarb hyaluronic serum. Serum hyaluronic fraise rhubarb. Quality though. Is that a spider on the wall?
Where? Put it on the
Can I
eye
put it on
cream.
my lips?
No, put it on your neck.
Oh yeah.
Shit's good.
This feels like
A snow mushroom cloud?
it's what's that stuff called? Marshmallows. What kind of price can I get it for? We're just like staring at each other in the eye and rubbing our eyes.
You just have to do gentle motions like this. Now I'm like collagen boosting.
Yeah. Oh hey. So the weather is finally cool enough to chill outside with a nice cup of coffee and a sweater until the afternoon when it gets freaking hot again. I'm getting hot just sitting out here talking. Maddie already got hair on me from leaning up against me for 5 seconds. Before I forget, these glasses, I got them from Glasses Lit. They're super cute. Whoa, I look cool. Hello, little babes. We'll put a link to their website in the description because I absolutely love them. They're actually prescription. You know those glasses that just like sit perfectly on your face? These are those. Like they don't fall off. They fit very snug. I can see a mile away. Other than that, don't look at my appearance. It's October 14th. I was gonna run a bunch of errands today, but then I realized it's a holiday. It's like Columbus Day, but I thought that we weren't celebrating Columbus Day anymore. So I was like, wait, no, it's Indigenous Peoples Day. But it doesn't say that on my Apple calendars. I don't know what's going on, Apple. Come on, get with the times. But also to the majority of my subscribers, happy Canadian Thanksgiving. It's very early. I don't feel like Thanksgiving. So I have a photo shoot later today. We're gonna do like a angel devil photo shoot for this girl. I'm gonna do. I need to go to Target and get a yellow raincoat. It is a really great movie. I really like that. There's a movie called Hereditary. It's another scary movie and it's on Hulu or Amazon Prime. I'm not really sure. You should watch that. It's freaking freaky and it will haunt your dreams. I was up all night last night. That's how scary it was. It takes a lot to really scare me and this movie really got to my head. Coffee. So they have these Starbucks things and it comes like pumpkin spice flavored and you pour in the pumpkin spice powder and then you put it under and brew the pumpkin coffee on top of it. It tastes like a PSL, except it doesn't really taste like a PSL and it's not really that good. But you know, it's better than not having one at all, I guess. Ajax, come here, buddy. I love you. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, family photo. Maddie, this side. Come on, don't be afraid. Ajax right here. Oh, smile. See, they even look good on her. It's amazing.
I can see you in the dark, see you in the dark. I can see you in the dark.